friends! I'm Dr. Susie, pelvic health physical therapist, sexuality counselor, and educator. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use TENS for pelvic pain. A big shout out to my Patreon community and an extra hug to my insider and super fans who go the extra mile in supporting my work and helping make pelvic health education accessible for everyone. Transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, or TENS, is a form of neuromodulation that uses gentle electrical input to help dial down the body's protective responses, including pain and muscle guarding. It's thought to work by stimulating specific peripheral nerve fibers, the nerves that carry information from your skin, muscles, and organs to your spinal cord and brain. These fibers respond to sensations like vibration and stretch. When they are stimulated, they send signals up the spinal cord to the brain, which helps trigger the release of the body's own pain-relieving chemicals such as endorphins, endogenous opiates, and serotonin. These chemicals help dampen pain and other protective responses. It's also important to remember that TENS is just one form of neuromodulation. Other forms include things like safe touch, exercise, hugging, mindful movement, stretching, pleasant smells, soothing sounds, gentle walks, warm baths, and even sexy time. The research on TENS for pain is mixed, largely because the dosing and parameters used across studies vary widely, although newer research is showing more promise and consistency in parameter dosing suggestions. For some people, TENS can be a helpful part of pelvic pain care, but it's not meant to be a standalone treatment. We also still have limited data on the best application methods and parameters specifically for pelvic pain. In this video, I'm going to share a general protocol for using low-frequency mode TENS for pelvic pain. This mode is thought to reduce pain by encouraging the release of your body's own endorphins, which act as natural painkillers. Low-frequency TENS is designed to be a slower, deeper-acting setting. It uses longer pulses delivered at a calm rhythm to help reduce pain and settle the nervous system. The pulse duration is set between 200 and 500 microseconds, which means each pulse lasts a bit longer and can reach deeper nerves and muscles. The pulse rate is set between 1 and 5 pulses per second, or hertz, which means the pulses come slowly, about once every second or two, so it feels more like a steady thump rather than a buzzing vibration. The mode is set to normal, which means the stimulation is delivered continuously. The intensity is based on your comfort level. With these settings, you'll feel the external pelvic floor muscles contracting. Treatment time is usually 20 to 30 minutes since it takes time for endorphins to be released into the system. This use of TENS should not be used for longer than an hour because the repeated muscle contractions can lead to fatigue and soreness. Do not use TENS in this way if you have a pacemaker, implantable cardioverter defibrillator, spinal cord stimulator, or sacral nerve stimulator, as electrical stimulation can interfere with these devices. It should also not be used if you have an active pelvic or perineal cancer, implanted pelvic hardware such as a penile implant or urethral or bladder sling, an open wound, skin infection, or fragile or damaged skin in the area being treated. Do not use this method if you are pregnant, have an active pelvic infection or inflammation such as prostatitis or severe hemorrhoids, or if you are experiencing severe acute pelvic pain that would make muscle contraction intolerable. TENS should also be avoided if you have diminished cognitive function that would impair your ability to use the device safely. And use TENS with caution if you have a history of epilepsy or seizure disorders, significant numbness or altered sensation in the pelvic, genital, or perineal area, or if you have had recent pelvic surgery, unless your surgeon or pelvic health provider has cleared you to use it. In people with a history of sexual trauma or pain that is strongly driven by nervous system threat or fear responses, muscle contracting forms of TENS may sometimes flare symptoms rather than calm them, so this should be approached gently and with support. For the live demo, I'm using a TENS 7000 unit, which allows me to manually set my own parameters. If you would like to see a step-by-step live demonstration of how to use TENS for pelvic pain, come join me on Patreon.